Bharat Drone Manthan 2.0 and are right here at Drone Destination with Suraj, who's going to help us understand all that he has on display out there. Hi Suraj, welcome to Boxing Drones, and we'd really love to learn about what you have on display out there. Could you take us through this, please?
Okay. Firstly, I will introduce myself. Myself, Suraj Tyagi. I am working here in Drone Destination Company. Yeah. I am working in the Drone Destination Company. That is the leading company in the drone industry. So I am working here as a drone instructor, as small class as well as medium class. So here are the setup for the drones which we are having here, as you can see. Okay. So we will start from here. This one is our agriculture drone named as a AgriStar 2.0. So it has the range of 1.5 kilometer and endurance of 17 minutes while depletion rate while spraying. Then after there is the Star X. It is a drone which we are using for the night purpose surveying and mapping. 2.4 square kilometer area it can cover and having endurance of the nearby 30 to 25 minutes. Okay. So and this one is also we use for the surveying mapping purpose, named as a drone Star Edge with the RGB camera as a payload. Okay, and in this we are using the multispectral camera. You can see downwards. That is very expensive and a very rare payload. You can see in any of the drone companies. Okay, so it is very costly. Then after we go for our drone soccer game. So it is an international game named as a drone soccer. There is nearby 19 countries are there which are participating. Then our drone destination introduced this game in India as well. So in this basically there are 10 participants are there, 5 for one team, in which 2 are defender, 2 are striker and 1 is goalkeeper. We have to goal to the opponent one, and there is a large cage. As you can see over there at the pamphlet, there is a large cage like thing. As you can see in this, there is a larger cage and in which 10 drone balls are flying, and we have to go to the opponent team.
How popular is this game in India?
Yeah, as we know, everyone is get to know about what drone industry actually. So at the time passes, everyone know about what the drone soccer is, and we have getting good reviews about this game actually. So we are having some conversation as well. We will promote this game, and in future we can do better about it.
Okay, so you will intend promoting the game and being like an operator for
Yes.
this, like a show?
Yeah.
Or you're also going to sell individual units of this?
No, actually for now we are not selling for this gaming drone balls. We only sell these things. We are not selling those things for now. And in future we are trying to promote this thing and came into picture with everywhere.
But when you do start selling it, what do you think would be the approximate price range for it?
Approximate, as you know, we are having a cage as well and the drone balls as well. It will around 22 lakhs for all the setup, for the
For
real
the
one.
entire setup? Okay. So next level gaming also. Drone soccer, I've not really heard of this concept before, but I'm definitely going to research it. It's quite intriguing. About the agriculture drone,
Yeah.
this would probably be for spraying
Yeah,
mostly.
for spraying activities.
What kind of payload do you think?
We are using a tank as a payload, in which payloads are agrochemicals.
Yes.
It can be fertilizer or any pesticide, insecticide, whatever a farmer is in need of to their field.
So how many kgs do you think?
In this payload area, 11 liter tank of maximum capacity,
Okay.
and
11
through
liters.
through which we can spray 2.5 acre.
And what would be the approximate costing for one of these?
This costing about 5.5 lakh.
I've seen quite a few agri drones, and while this is quite nice looking, but what do you think is your USP? Why would somebody want to buy this particular spray as compared to another?
Because it is durable and many more sensors are there. It has object detection sensor, terrain sensor, and the mandatory sensor which all the drones have. They all have these things and very durable. We using the latest technology which we are using nowadays.
So highly effective, good piece of tech out here. And can you tell me what's the difference in both of these are for surveillance and mapping? This you said is a night.
Yeah.
What else would be different between these two? If I wanted one
As-
for mapping,
as-
how would I choose?
Firstly, we have to differ about the size. Like as you can see,
Okay.
for if your meteorological condition is not good, there is very high wind speed
Okay.
and the season is not good, so we have to go with this star experiment for getting the inputs as we need. All the inputs which we are using as a payload, you can say RGB or multispectral, whatever we are payload are using, our input should be clear and accurate up to the point what we want. So this is all about. So that's why we are using this bigger one as on the place of depth. And here we are using for night as well because we are using the multispectral camera that works on different spectrums of light. As you can see, our eye can see only 7 colors. You can see that is split it from white color है. तो हमारी आंखें बस 7 रंग ही देख पाती है. इसके बाहर की भी रेंज होती है, ठीक है ना. तो ये डिफरेंट वेवलेंथ्स ऑफ लाइट और ये आपके 7 कलर बेसिकली 3 कलर से भी और उनके मिक्सर से बनते हैं. इसे RGB बोल देते हैं, रेड ग्रीन ब्लू. ओके, तो उनके डिफरेंट आपके स्पेक्ट्रम्स ऑफ लाइट में आपको फोटो और इमेजिंग देता है. उससे आपको जैसे आपको इनपुट चाहिए, जैसे कि आपका क्रॉप हेल्थ एनालिसिस कर सकते हो आप. सिक प्लांट, डैमेज जो प्लांट्स हैं जिनको ज़रूरत है स्प्रे करने की, उन्हीं को ही हम करेंगे. जिनको ज़रूरत नहीं है उनको हम स्प्रे नहीं करेंगे. ठीक है, वाटर स्ट्रेस हम इससे पता कर सकते हैं. काफ़ी सारी देयर इज अ ह्यूज थिंग्स वी कैन डू विद दिस पेलोड multispectral, as well as we are using the lidar as well. For lidar we are using for the 3D mapping. Okay,
Okay, so
3D
this has
mapping.
a lot of features, a
Yeah.
whole lot more than that.
Yeah.
So there'll be a whole big price difference.
Yes. That's why it is nearby 2 lakh and here is for 5 to 6 lakh.
And how many units have you sold of all of these?
Actually, I don't know much about it because I am not from marketing team. You can contact us with the Mayur Chandrasekhar, that is our marketing head of Drone Destination.
Oh, we've got some good inputs out here and lots of drones on display. We've got a good understanding of what each one of them do. Thank you so